Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Check physical connections and set defaults. First, plug the headset into the correct jack or USB port and test different ports if needed. Once done, open sound settings and set your headset as default playback and default communication device. Then, go to recording devices, open your microphone properties, and turn off Listen to this device. This often creates echo. Make sure software volumes are reasonable before moving on. Now you'll fix the deeper causes: driver and mic configuration. Update your audio or USB headset drivers in Device Manager and reboot to apply changes. Once done, open the microphone properties, reduce microphone boost, and lower the input level so the mic isn't clipping or feeding back. Also enable exclusive mode so only one app controls the device. Finally, enable echo cancellation or noise suppression inside communication apps. This removes looped audio and stabilizes the signal. Finish by testing and isolating. Make a test call or use a test recording to confirm the echo is gone. If you still hear echo, try swapping ports, use a USB audio adapter, or plug a different headset to identify hardware causes. Once isolated, consider a ground loop isolator for electrical hum, or keep app-level noise suppression and echo cancellation on. Troubleshooting tip: if echo appears only with one app, reinstall or reset that app's audio settings before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.